Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And we have here 2018 Honda Civic. I think it's a four-door sedan or a hatchback. But this should be valid for all of these models. And I think that's the latest generation possibly. So I'm going to show you how to change your cabin or pollen filter that filters the air going through the air conditioning system. So you have to go through your glove box, and you're going to see basically there's the cap is right behind there where the filter goes. So in order to get to that place, you need to push the sides of the glove box here because of these stoppers, and you just need to kind of twist the glove box like this. So you open it and the glove box kind of hangs down, and then you can reach this cap here where the filter is, and it has actually the markings of airflow down. That's important when you replace the filter. And it has the arrows where it shows that you need to press these clips inside to open it right here and right here. So that's what you're gonna do. You press here and then you press here, and the cap opens, and voila, this is the filter. And already we can see this filter is in amazing shape. All the leaves, all the dirt, really nice. Again, you guys need to understand that this will create problems for your air conditioning system if these are not replaced about every 10,000 miles. And unfortunately, I see that people either are not told about these, or they just, again, they don't know, and the shops that maintain their cars, they just never replace these. This car has about 42,000 miles. I believe this is the original filter. Well, actually no, this filter was changed about 20,000 miles. Yeah. So again, this actually, I thought it was the original one, but it's not. It was replaced about 20,000 miles ago. And look at this. I mean, this is just bad. This is really, really bad. That's why these should be replaced about every 10,000 miles, or you're risking, creating problems for your AC system, and you're also breathing these, particles, all this dirt. Not breathing it, but once it gets stuck, once this filter gets stuck with these, the airflow starts to go slower, and then you start to create problems and damage to your air conditioning system. And we've seen this multiple times. So this is the filter, and we have this new filter here. It's not necessary to buy this thing, but the customer brought this to us, so that's what we're going to install. And okay, this is the new filter. Again, we need to follow the airflow. Airflow is down, so this has to be like this, and install it inside. You need to see which direction. Okay, yeah, it's the wider side going in, and looks like that's how it goes. It kind of twists at an angle when you put it in. It has some kind of a slide. And next thing is we'll install back again the cap, and all you gotta do is just push it back, and it just clips. And glove box back, you just push it in and make sure it's working properly, and that's it. Again, please replace these every 10,000 miles, or about every 2 oil changes. Thanks very much for watching. Please like my videos and please subscribe. Thank you.